These are the best and newest effects from Movavi Video Editor 2026 to make you an absolute pro. Movavi is a simple yet powerful video editor to make wow videos. And I'll show you why I say wow. Because if you're not wowed by the end of this video, it's our little challenge, you win. If you are wowed, which I'm almost guaranteed you will be, then we both win. So when you open it up, importing files is as easy as saying add files. Then you can go ahead and open that file. Instantly, it puts it in your media bin where we can double click and that'll place it onto the timeline. From someone who edits every single day, this feels intuitive, it feels normal, and it feels professional. And just by simply dragging my timeline, playhead back and forth, I can tell that this is a great tool. The first thing I want to do is increase my preview quality. So I'm going to go to this little settings icon and select high resolution preview. By selecting high resolution preview, we've restored some of that quality back. If you find that you're dealing with heavy files, go ahead and select that little icon and select low resolution preview, which is just going to affect your preview quality. It doesn't actually affect the end export, but I always like viewing my videos in great quality, so I'm going to select high resolution preview. If you haven't noticed already, there's something wrong with this video on our timeline. We look completely gray. That's because that video was shot in a flat color profile. So this brings us to our first effect, which is adding custom LUTs. Let me show you how to do it. Go to your effects panel, go to LUTs, and then you can click on that plus icon. That allows you to import whatever LUT you need. Simply by dragging that LUT onto our video, we then apply that LUT to our video. You can see our video is already looking a million times better. Once you've applied it, you get access to all these different LUTs that Movavi provides. However, I'm going to show you how to do some manual color grading. Selected on your video, you can go to Tools and then Color Adjustments. Once again, we get some different color adjustments here, but I'm going to go to Manual Mode. This allows us to change things like brightness, contrast. We can add some saturation. I'm going to lower my shadows by a bit and turn my gamma up. By applying those color tweaks, we've now got that matte Louis look. And let me show you what it looks like before. And once we add those color tweaks, we've added that juicy color back in all but 30 seconds. Our next tool, which is also a brand new tool, is one-click silence removal. Let me show you why this is helpful. Selected on my video, I can go to this option right here and select that. This opens up the audio and silence removal tab. We can then leave it on auto or change it to manual. I'm going to leave it on auto and say remove silence. Pretty much instantly, Movavi has removed all the dead silent parts from our video. If I just undo that change, you can see I purposefully left this portion of silence right here to demonstrate the effect. When I go ahead and apply that and we play this, if you want to be able to use tools like automatic silence removal, like it automatically removed that silent portion and created a perfect cut point. If you don't know what to use the silence removal for, then maybe you're a better speaker than me. But when I record, there are so many moments of silence where I'm thinking about what to say next. This saves a ton of time by automatically reducing those moments and making perfect cuts. Now let's get into the brand new effects and overlay effects. Get ready to be wowed. I'm going to trim this beginning portion of my video because this is just a duplicate take. I can then neaten up my timeline. Selecting on all those videos, I'm going to right click and select clone, which is going to make a duplicate copy. I can then select on all those clips and remove the volume so we still only have that take underneath. Selected on one of those, I'm going to go over to Tools, Background Removal, select Precision, and remove the background. If I disable our base video layer, you can see that we've automatically removed the background even though we're not on a green screen. Selected on that bottom layer, I'm going to go to Effects and Overlay Effects and then Basic. I'm then going to find Fluttering Foliage and drag it onto my video. Simply by dragging that, we have shifted the entire background of our video and it looks like we're actually in a new location. Now I think this effect is a little bit too strong right now because we haven't adjusted. So all I need to do is click on that Effects button. That'll bring open the applied effects and we can turn down that fluttering foliage to around 44%. Now it looks completely natural and normal and our entire background has changed. Going back to effects, there are over 40 new effects that you can apply to your video, but I really love this overlay effect, which provides incredible results. If you're not wowed yet, stay tuned because I'm about to show you some even more incredible tools. If you are and you'd like to get Movavi, hit that link in the description and get Movavi Video Editor 2026 for an entire year. Save 25% off that cost when you use my custom promo code MAT25. You're now able to copy effects over from one clip to another in a matter of seconds. Right-click on the clip that you have effects on, go to Clip Effects and say Copy Effects. Then I can highlight all those clips without the effect, right-click, go over Clip Effects and say Paste Effects. Now when I scrub through my timeline, you'll see that that overlay has been applied to all of those clips and not just that first one. Another simple but incredible tool that has blown my mind because of its precision is Movavi's tracking. There's this Elements tab where you can find specific elements, special effects, callouts, and frames. Under Stickers, I'm going to search Subscribe and find a subscribe icon. In this scene right here, you can see I move my head left and right, so I'm going to drag my subscribe icon directly to that point and trim it so that it ends at the end of our clip. By selecting on that subscribe icon and moving over to our player window, you'll see it opens up an option to reposition and resize our subscribe icon. I'm going to place it right there. You'll also see that there's a motion tracking option, which then I can select artificial intelligence. I'm then going to move this box over my face because I want to track the movement of me moving left and right. And once I'm ready, I click track. Once it's done tracking, click apply. And then if we play our timeline, you'll see that that subscribe icon with absolute precision moves exactly with our face. But this doesn't only have to apply to things like subscribe buttons. What if I was putting my hand up here, moving it left and right, and having something like text or a box follow my hand? Or what if I open my hand there and I put a flame within my hand? Because of Movavi's precision with its tracking, you can do all of these things in a very professional and simple manner. So we've made this footage look absolutely great by applying that foliage overlay and applying our LUT. We've added a subscribe icon which perfectly tracks our face, and we've automatically removed the background from our video. Now it's time to get to subtitles. By going to Text, Auto-Subtitles, we can then click on the video we want to generate subtitles for and select Generate. Selecting on my other videos, I'm going to go ahead and select Generate so that we generate subtitles for our whole timeline. Within a few moments, we have our subtitles generated. I can then select on one and that'll open up the subtitle settings where we can review those subtitles. By switching over to styles, you'll see over 30 brand new subtitle styles that we can choose. I love this old paper effect, and by selecting apply to all, you'll see that we've changed that style to apply to all of our subtitles. We can then go to the design tab where we can once again select apply to all subtitles and change the position of our subtitles, change the font, and things like the color, background, outline, and shadow. In the click of a few buttons, we've created amazing automatic subtitles. One of the things I do a lot on the channel is use screen recordings to illustrate or demonstrate what I'm doing. Movavi has a one-click picture-in-picture mode that I absolutely love. I'm going to go ahead and drag my screen recording onto my timeline and then place that in between my two clips. Selected on my screen recording, I can go to Tools, Position, and then reframe my screen recording to fill the screen. Now, because we placed the screen recording in between our layers, you'll see that the cutout of our self is applied right there. So selected on that top layer, I can go to Position and click Picture in Picture. This is going to frame us into the bottom right, where I could shift us over some more. And then when I click play, we have our screen recording playing and we have ourselves in the bottom right. Movavi 2026 offers built-in packs so that you don't need to hunt for templates and assets on other sites. These packs contain editing assets like titles, transitions, sound effects, music, stickers, and so much more. Go over to the packs icon where you can then find hundreds of different packs with specific elements in them. When you find a pack that you think you'll like, go over to pack info and that'll open up exactly which editing assets are in that pack. By selecting on one of them, backgrounds, it's going to take us to those exact backgrounds within that pack. I can then go ahead and download that background and put it on top of our video. If I go back to that pack and select pack info, I can then select something like titles and we get a whole bunch of cool infographic titles. Now, to get access to all of these packs, you'll need to subscribe to Movavi FX. So when you follow the link in the description, you'll land on this page where you can scroll down and find the offers. Then to get the additional effects, make sure that you tick this box just like I'm showing you. They'll then be added automatically to your shopping cart. Once you buy that, it opens up a whole world of possibilities by giving you incredible templates in your editing suite. When you drag music onto your timeline, you can go to Tools, Audio, and then select Beat Detection. We can then select Detect Audio Beats. What I love about this is we can change the minimum time between our beat markers. Sometimes the difference in time between these are too long, so we can go ahead and drag that down. This automatic beat detection is going to show us exactly where the prominent beats are in our song, so that we can make informed cut points and time our clip cutting to the beat of the song. Sometimes we don't have the ability to record with a good mic or in a place with no noise. Movavi has this covered. Select it on your video, you can go to Noise Removal, select Artificial Intelligence, and then select Apply. With noise removal, you can turn audio that sounds like this into this. And the last effect we'll cover, but certainly not the least, is an equalizer. I can't tell you how essential this is to have to create beautiful, crisp audio. Selected on that clip, we can go to Equalizer and then choose from a number of templates. But I'm going to just drag our bass up a little bit and create more of a shape that looks like this. When I play that audio, you don't have access to all those unnecessary tools that so many programs have. Our audio sounds incredible compared to what we have on one of our other clips. Silence removal like you just saw there. You'll hear that audio sounds a little bit dull. Some final thoughts about the software that you've seen. My first question is, are you wowed? We've created a video that went from this to this. We adjusted audio tools, we added cool overlays, and we did so much more. So I really do hope that you're wowed. If you're looking to edit a Hollywood feature film, this software is absolutely not for you. But that's not what they're going for. Movavi is targeting the editor that wants to create great videos with simplicity rather than complexity. And you can be the judge for yourself as to whether or not they've done that. Hit the link below to get Movavi Video Editor 2026 for an entire year and save 25% off when you use my promo code. If any of these effects or tools have enticed you and intrigued you, which I hope they have, go ahead and try it.